Hello. For my self-directed learning project, I chose to become a Microsoft educator. When thinking about this project, I wanted to urge myself to branch out into something that I have little knowledge or experience with. The reason why I chose to dive into Microsoft for this project is so that I could add additional tools to my professional tool belt, making me an ideal candidate for job searching. For the rest of this video, I will be walking you through my experience earning the Microsoft Educator badge as well as sharing the lessons that I learned and how I can apply this badge in the future. The Microsoft Educator badge is given to a participant after completing 6 different modules, totaling roughly 5.5 hours of coursework. This online professional development program is geared towards teachers and staff who are new to the teaching and learning tools that Microsoft offers. When completed, participants will be able to construct best practices for facilitating a blended or hybrid learning environment using different Microsoft tools. The first module of the Microsoft Educator Academy is called Teach Forward: Best Strategies for Hybrid, Remote, and Blended Learning. This module focused on the idea that blended learning combines different aspects of learning and utilizing technology through whole group instruction, independent learning, small group work, and assessments. Multiple blended learning models were given with examples of how each one could support specific Microsoft technology in the classroom. This module taught me ways that I can support student learning while also utilizing technology. The second module is titled Accessibility: Build the Foundation for Inclusive Learning. This module presented new ways for me as a teacher to connect student learning experiences outside the classroom with what we do inside the classroom. Additionally, I learned that OneNote is able to reduce the cognitive load that students bear because the online tool organizes materials all in one place, which decreases the attention that is split between coordinating and finding materials in multiple locations. The third module is titled Empower Every Student Through an Inclusive Classroom. This module explores different ways that Microsoft tools, such as Microsoft Word, Edge, and OneNote, can be personalized to each student in order to optimize their success. This is the module that I learned the most from and will definitely be implementing in my classroom. I believe that all students benefit from accessibility settings that are offered on technology devices. By personalizing my students' devices, we are able to set them up for success. The last 3 modules focus on specific Microsoft programs and how they can be used to enhance student learning and success. The fourth module is titled Structure Teams Through Channels, Tabs, Files, and Apps. During this module, participants learn about the strengths of using Microsoft Teams in the classroom. The module shares that Microsoft Teams makes it easier to organize content, conversation, files, assignments, and apps, all in one app. What I really liked learning in this module was the idea that when using Microsoft Teams, students are able to communicate and work together outside of the classroom. The fifth module is titled Flipped Instruction with PowerPoint Recorder. I enjoyed this module because it taught me how flipping classroom instruction is a beneficial approach that allows my students to effectively use their time outside of the classroom. By teaching the lesson outside of the school, students are then able to spend classroom time diving more in-depth into the topic, which utilizes the student-centered learning approach. This module walked me through step-by-step how to create a flipped lesson on PowerPoint Recorder, which was very helpful in teaching me about this program. The last module is titled Get Started with OneNote. This module teaches the participants how to use Microsoft OneNote to gather and organize information, research, and different course content. I really enjoyed learning about OneNote because it is a great option for students to use and create digital notebooks. With using this technology, students are able to create and also share entire notebooks with each other for collaboration. I can definitely see myself using this feature when creating collaborative projects for my students. Now that I have my Microsoft Educator badge, I will be able to integrate more technology into my classroom and also help others implement it into theirs by using the different Microsoft-based apps with my students. What I am most excited about is to continue learning about Microsoft by eventually completing the Office 365 Teacher Academy pathway. I cannot wait to see what is in store for me in the future. Thanks for watching.